Good looking little fan.
Here you go.
Yeah, I do like it.
Nice and chocolate.
Yeah,
It's chocolate and
barb. Yeah, she still has a second one, so once I get the other one.
If you ever get the other one, I want it.
Can we do a trade if I get the other one? I want that little satellite Baja series thing you have.
Well, that would take a lot to get rid of that.
He ain't getting that.
I ain't getting rid of that. I like that
I've
one
been
too
trying to
much.
get that from him for years.
That satellite Baja, I like that thing too much. Actually, I'm surprised I didn't put that in the laundry room. But that Laguna looks too good
Why don't we
there.
test?
I brought. Oh yeah, I see.
Wait, what are these?
Pick your poison. That goes to that Zephyr, the Victoria that's down
I still
there.
got
Is that
Oh, those are getting shipped out. Metal Pete's getting those from me.
Oh yeah, I remember. I still got the. Oh, yeah, I can't wait. I gotta bring that in here. I still got.
I have 3 of those Emerson Northwinds, the polished brass Panama vent motors. There's one there, there's another one there, and there's another one back here. One of them has stencil blades. Actually, no, 2 of them have stencil, one's plain. I already tested that Emerson Premium, the white one. I have not tested the Winnower Monarch, but you've got one on your channel. It's basically the exact same fan.
Wait, what's that?
That's a Victoria, K63 Victoria.
I kind of regret it. I gave Gabe my only passive lock I had, but I never was big into him because I see him all the time in my.
We should test this.
I want to. Oh, but I still. Oh, I am excited. I do want to test the one I just got on Marketplace. You know,
Oh, yeah.
You're like that one.
We should test this Jericho. That'd be kind of
Yeah,
cool.
I do want to see it. However, it is weird though. It's a weird choice of blade finishes.
That's factory too. It's
Yeah,
not
I
even
know.
painted.
Yeah, that would look weird.